Today we're going to be talking about fall trends that will be going triple platinum in my household. First being polka dots. I don't know what it is. I'm here for it. I've seen some, it's either Jeffrey Campbell or Steve Madden. And they have like a cute little like red and white polka dot kitten heel. It's so cute. I also have like a maxi skirt that has polka dots, but I think it's a little too small for me. But I would really like to wear that this fall. I've been seeing nails with polka dots. Yeah, I'm here for the polka dots. And I feel like a lot of these like fashion trends in these past couple of years, they've been trends that were like popular when we were like little girls, and they're like coming back, and I love that for us. The next trend is leather. Obviously leather is very popular during the winter and fall times, because who's wearing leather during summertime? Not me. Not in Texas, I'm not. Leather boots, leather jackets, pants, loafers, coats, vest, anything leather. Leather bags. There's a leather bag that I want, and I want to buy it for myself for my birthday, but it's kind of expensive. But I'm also like, it's my 25th birthday. I'm never going to be 25 again. But then I could use that in everyday life. Be like, I'm never going to live this day again, so might as well just buy it. That's besides the point. I actually just sold some leather boots on my Depop. Some Fry leather boots. They were too small for me. Hopefully I can get some that fit me. Fry boots are so expensive, but they are so cute. The campus boot in that yellowish like banana color. Chef's kiss. Next, more into like colors. Green. I love green. I don't wear green that often, but I love green. I have my green Baggu bag. I wore that today with this outfit. Green Baggu bag. I've got green New Balance 990s. I've got a green tank top. I want like a green coat or like some green sunglasses or like green tights maybe. Might look a little sickly. Next, maroon. I'm looking forward to seeing it. Like a maroon trench coat. That would eat. See, I need like a fashion like warehouse in my house, so that when I think of something, I'll be like, guys, we need you to make this, and then I can just have it. I guess I just should start sewing. I bought these. I don't know if they're really maroon. They look more like red, but I bought these shoes from Zara. It's like a pointed toe. I don't know if it's a kitten heel. Hopefully it is. Pointed toe, and it's got a cute little bow on it. And I think it's gonna be so cute. That with like some dark wash jeans and like a red sweater. Next, brown. Obviously brown is a fall winter color, but I don't usually wear brown. Like, I couldn't tell you in the past like 5 years when I wore brown. I have a brown vest that I love, but like that's it. And I rarely wear that thing. I got a brown knit sweater. I had it on my list and I found one at the thrift store. And I love it. I want a brown, like a bodysuit maybe, or like a brown like dress, or a brown coat. My wish list is very long. A brown pair of boots. Definitely want that. I have like some combat boots that I got like freshman year of high school, but those don't hit the same as like a Fry boot or like a, I don't know the different style of boots, what they're called, but the like fitted ones. There's a set at H&M. I don't know if it's still available. If it is, I'll try and link it down below. But it's like this brown, like, it looks like patent leather, but I think it's pleather. Brown, like, skirt and jacket. I saw Amina Cocoa wearing it, and I said, oh my gosh. Amina Cocoa always eats. Every time she posts a pic, she's always eating. The girl eats every single time. I saw that, and I was like, ooh, I need that. Didn't buy it, but I saw it. Next color, navy. Like I said, I have a navy and striped shirt. I just remembered. I got this navy like corduroy long sleeve button up thing. It's a button up that's corduroy and navy. Literally so cute. Can't wait to wear that. Next thing, ruffles and like tiered things. I don't know how to explain this. Like tiered skirts, tiered dresses. I love that. Ruffles, not like a big like crazy ruffle, but like a very like subtle ruffle. If I can find some images, I'll put them here so you guys can see. Like ruffles with a purpose. Because you know how like some ruffles are just so big and it's like, what are you doing? But like intentional ruffles. Like bloomers. Like bloomers are ruffles. But they like serve a purpose. And it makes a thing. It makes the bloomers cute. Like that. See, it just took me a little bit. I'm a little rusty, guys. I haven't done this since... Oh my gosh, wait. One... So, yeah, probably like a year and a half. Don't judge me, guys. Subscribe because I'm really excited to be posting again. I cannot wait. I've got literally from now till the end of the year planned out with videos. So be on the lookout. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. We're close to 500 subscribers. We have 87 now. Okay, enough yapping. Let's move on to the next trend. So this next trend is like... It's not even really a trend. It's more of like a style. And I was watching Iwana's video. I don't know her full channel name, but I'll put it on the screen. I'll link it down below. Iwana's video. And her husband were talking about like redoing their style, whatever. And so the phrase they came up with for their new style is Western Mamma Mia. And I feel like that invokes so much of what I'm trying to incorporate into my style, or trying to like refine my style to be. I would say like Western Mamma Mia goes to prep school. I love Western elements like leathers and fringe, and I don't know, are they called gemstones? Like turquoise and stuff? I don't think that's a gemstone. Like Americano. Mamma Mia is very like frilly, like cute, like flowy light fabric, comfort. And then like prep school, the refined lines. And I don't know how any of this is going to mash together, but I would describe my style in my head as Western Mamma Mia goes to prep school. I like button downs. I love crew necks. Like all different elements from these different like styles. That's what I think my style is. But my closet, I would say my closet kind of reflects it. Less Western, less Mamma Mia. I would say a little bit of Mamma Mia, mainly prep school, and then very few elements of Western, which I'm trying to like incorporate more. I have cowboy boots, so like that's Western. Okay, next thing, kind of relating back to this like Mamma Mia, Western, prep school, bangles. Jewelry, like stacked jewelry, bangles. I don't know why, but I've been loving bangles. Bangles for the summertime, bangles for the fall time. Love that. And I love like lots and lots of bangles. And I have a James Avery bracelet and I've been trying to collect more charms for it. I haven't been trying. In my head I'm trying, but in all actuality I'm not. But I want to get some more bangles so that it can be like ding 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 when I'm like, you know, moving my hand and stuff. Is that a stupid reason to get charms? Maybe. Sue me. Next trend is fold over boots. I know these were popular, I think last winter and fall, or the fall and winter before then. I think it was last winter and fall. I've seen some. They're so cute. I like the fold over boot wedges. Those look so stinking cute to me. I saw a red pair when I was scrolling through Pinterest this morning. Like a red maroonish color. Let's see. Call back. But there's some, I'm like, dang, those look so cute. But some, if the fold over goes up too high, then to me it looks strange. I want it to look like it's about to touch the ground. This isn't really a trend per se, but like perfumes. I've been getting in my perfume era. Actually, I feel like I've always been in my perfume era. I still have my Viva La Juicy by Juicy Couture perfume from when I was in 6th grade, and it still smells good. I've got Taylor Swift Wonderstruck. I've got some perfumes that I got when I went to Paris when I was like 15. I really, really, really like, it's called Pink Flambe from Zara. It's more of like a summery scent, but oh my gosh, does that smell good. Prada Paradox and Prada Paradox Intense. Both of those smell so good. They kind of smell slightly different, but they both smell really good. Highly recommend. I don't have those, but I will be buying it very soon. Let me know down below which trends are gonna go triple platinum in your household. That is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm so excited to be back. Definitely subscribe so you can be notified when I post a new video. I've got lots of videos planned for these next couple of months, so be on the lookout for that.